Whew! Hey guys, Jake here again with another video, and today we are playing more Pokemon Sky Flora. And right now, one thing, I got a fishing rod. Where is it? Old rod. And I was gonna wait for you guys so I can, like, catch a water Pokemon in front of you guys, but, I couldn't resist. I got Basculin. It's the only water Pokemon I caught right now. But we're gonna be fishing. Fishing maybe the whole entire episode. Or we'll go more adventure. But we're gonna fish a few times. And see what we're gonna catch. Gonna catch anything? Not even a nibble. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Not even a nibble. Am I in the wrong place to go to fish for fishing? Let me try one more time. Oh, a bite! Yeah, a Pokemon's on the hook. Okay, let's get going. It's another Basculin. Ugh. Basculin. Go away, Basculin. I don't want you. Ugh. Let's try the lake up in this city, in this town. Because I found a lake up in this town when I was healing my Pokemon. Right here. Let's go over here. Enter and bag and Olderod. Let's try this spot. Boop 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 boop. Oh, bite! Oh, bite! A bite! A bite! What we gonna get? What we gonna get? What we gonna get? It's a crab! Oh, it's a crabby, crabby, crabby. Ooh, maybe we can get a Kingler. We're gonna have a ton of water types. Let's use tackle. Krabby used bubble. It's not very effective, Krabby. Right now, let's use another tackle, and oh god, my back hurts from the angle I have to sit and camera angle. I mentioned talking about camera angle right there. Yep. Okay, let's let's try to catch me a Pokemans. Krabby, you are mine. Do do. Do do. Do do. Yeah! Gotcha, Krabby was caught. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I only have 4 more minutes. Anyway, I only have 4 more minutes to make a video, so I'm sadly going to have to end the video. It's about 8 minutes. So, oh, sadness. But let's just keep on fishing because we're gonna stock up on water types. Because water types are actually my favorite. Not even a nibble. Okay, I accidentally pressed the space bar. Not even a nibble. Okay. Let's try the other end of the lake. Try. Oh, this is new. So let's try. Oh, I'm not facing. Oh, camera angle. I'm not facing the water. Now I'm facing the water. One, two, three, four. A bite. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I got away. Let's see if we can catch a... Hey guys, I have an idea. Let's see if we can catch a Lugia. Ooh, okay. Did we get a Lugia on the hook? Oh no, it's a Tang and a Basculin. No, I'm just joking about the Lugia. Okay, so in 2 minutes I'm gonna have to end the video. Let's go ahead and see if we can catch another Pokemon. Oh my god. Interruptions! Oh god, I'm sorry if you hear my... Oh my god, I'm sorry if you hear my mom, dad, and my sister in the background. I'm having having a little fight, I guess. Whatever. One more Pokemon and I'll end out the video. Not even a nibble, come on. You know, oh my god. Okay. It's another Krabby, are you kidding me? You know, get away, Krabby. Nobody likes you anymore because I caught you already. See the lamppost. Come on, lamppost. Give me luck. No, I stop pressing space. God, okay, hands off the spacebar. Oh, yes. Okay, what's it gonna be? It's gonna be another Krabby. Yep. Well. Oh my god, the game is glitching. Let's get away from here. Let's try a different lake. Try here again. One more time. Not even a nibble, come on. Come on. Come on, one more time. Fine. Let's try this part. Okay, I know how to use this. Okay. One more, come on. You know, I kind of wonder why there's no string on the end of there. Like, how do you catch Pokemon? Ooh, Pokemon's on the hook. Ugh, I have to, like, rapidly press space. It's another freaking Basculin. You know what? I'm gonna end the video out here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out and stay in the pug life.